3-6 right now. Perpetual at 7-2. First set is officially here. Martin Javier alongside Coach Hammer. Martin Antonio, mamaya-maya po mapapakinggan natin si Bianca Alejandre bringing us the stories from the coaches and the players. Pero ito si Min Puzon, who is playing in her final year. And she starts off that way. That's been her identity, one of the best servers that we have in the league.
Yep, and she was back-to-back best setters in season 97 and 98. If I'm not mistaken, Mart, na again, dyan siya kumukuha ng opensa eh. It's her aces, percentage player, and she was able to navigate the offense na dala-dala nila. And we gotta take into consideration din yung school activities. We've been talking about it. I've mentioned it na Min Puzon was doing her internship. And ang laking bagay nun, yung timing with your teammates suffers when you're not there in practices. But of course, ang kagandahan ng 2 rounds, you have time to make bawi.
Yeah.
Oh, ganun lang naman yan.
Yeah, that's right. For Perpetual, on the other hand, well, 7-2 right now. They've only lost again twice against Mapua and against Benil. So this is a team that's looking to continue with their winning ways and avenge for last season's well, that's considered underachieving for them because they had an intact lineup and they were doing very well in the preseason. So gusto rin nila makabawi ngayong season 100. And they have the early lead here, 3-1. This is Tyzerlyn Uy. Kanyang IG handle, Bia Uy. So I guess that's her nickname. So ito si Uy, 5'10", part of the starting unit. Look at that sharp serve. Venice Puzon. Doguna. This is gonna be saved. Menor. Rookie. Pero kumpiyansa. Dolorito from the back. And she catches the corner.
And now going back to their identity. Nakita natin this would bode well para sa LPU. Dolorito. Rookie pa lang to noon. Dumating. Ramdam na natin na malakas pumalo. And ito yung pag-layer ng mga atake nila ngayon. Gawin dun sa bawa. Attack from the back line, going down the line. Mahirap gawin kasi kailangan kontrolado yung mga palo. And as you become more of a veteran, yung ball control ball control, ball placement, malaking bagay.
And that time, again, it's Jonah Dolorito. Out of system, pero nagawa ng paraan. Ito ni Jonah, 3 apiece here in the first set. So, from what I'm seeing right now, Coach, this is the LPU team that we know.
Kailangan lang magpainit. Mukhang maganda yung reflection nila. Good combination attack there. Coming off that Winnie Bedanya hit. Pero yung break na yan, na tuloy assess what you have been doing.
And I'm impressed with Winnie Bedanya this season. Bedanya is averaging 13.5 points per match. That's a big jump from last season, Coach. Lalong-lalo na, kilala natin yan, middle yan. Nagsimula para dito sa Perpetual, but now she's starting to variate her plays and, you know, be flexible in the positions that she plays for Perpetual.
More responsibility, one of our top 10 scorers. To see Winnie Bedanya, dahil siya would provide outside hits. But Bedanya has that length and agility on the court na yung buwelo niya side to side, which is what middles really do. Plus, mataas yung nakaka-vertical siya na palo eh.
Nakita natin dun sa kombinasyon kanina. Jaja Tulang with the answer for LPU. So, neck and neck start dito sa ating laban. Heart Bio.
Ito si Heart Bio din looks in better shape than last season.
Ooh, open spot. That's Winnie Bedanya. Off the slight push right here. Look at this. On the approach and then change her decision in midair.
Yeah, hirap na. Changing your angle. Sakit sa balikat nun pag hindi ka sanay.
Oh, Hiro Osada.
Quick on the middle. Osada. Bilis ng palo na yun. Good attack. And ito naman yung meron siya. Very athletic. Light off her feet. Ang importante lang naman kasi dito sa LPU, na naging kulang sa kanila yung first ball. First ball, yun yung naging problema nila in the first round. Even if you look at their percentage attacks, pag nanggagaling na sa magandang handling ng first ball, yung mga attackers nila quickly activated by Puzon.
Kaya lahat nagulat na 3 and 6 itong LPU. Coach Andy Rieta on your screens right now.
The Lady Pirates are up by 1-6-5.
Kaya nagulat na 3 and 6 ang LPU because this team has been playing together for the past 3 years.
Sila
So,
ang pinaka-intact, no? Sila, I think, ang pinaka-intact na team.
yeah. Kahit dun sa preview natin, we didn't mention any additions, key additions for LPU. Kasi sila pa rin. As Omipon scores right here. Shai Omipon, solid season, 116 points. That's good for 12.8 points per match for the Lady Altas this year. Eto na. Si Winnie Bedanya, manggagaling na sa likod. So, they have Uy and Omipon right in front alongside their setter, Fian Ariola. Puzon. Dolorito overcooks it. That is long for Jonah. Si Jonah Dolorito, coach, same pa rin yung kanyang production. But it's Joan Doguna and Jaja Tulang yung medyo nawawala.
Kasi nga sila yung that was a service error right there by Winnie Bedanya. Pero sila yung nag-benefit dun sa first ball.
Yeah.
Pagka pinanood mo, si Dolorito kasi can fabricate points out of system. Si Doguna, etong si Tulang, and yung mga middle nila, kailangan siniset up. And para ma-set up mo sila, importante na makontrol mo yung first ball.
Yeah. Just like that. Look at that. Combination. Shai Omipon again scoring, and it is Perpetual who is first to 8 points. That's why we will go to our technical timeout. Magbabalik po kami.
Marami sa mga student-athletes ng NCAA ang tumutuloy sa mga professional basketball leagues at may mga piling atleta rin na nagiging basketball legends. Ilan sa mga past and future basketball legends ng NCAA ay sina Kaloy Loizaga, Laura Mumar at Freddie Webb na sinundan nila Atoy Ko, Philip Cesar, Vergel Meneses,
Alvin Patrimonio at
Samboy Lim. Isama nyo na rin sina Romel Aducul,
Mga kapuso, you're tuning in to NCAA Season 100 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Before the momentum tug-of-war fully begins for this matchup, it is clear that both teams are stepping up with a lot of intention. Ayon pa kay Coach Sandy Rieta of the Perpetual Lady Altas, he says they aim for nothing less than to add a win to eradicate their lapses during their first round losses. On the other hand, para naman kay Coach Cromwell Garcia ng LPU Lady Pirates, they feel confident in their second round preparations at ang pinakamalaking advantage daw nila ay nasa kanilang veteran players, with both teams eager and sporting their A-game. Intent might just propel them further. Let's hear your thoughts, Martin and Coach Hammer.
Thanks, Bianca. Well, it's playing out that way here in set number 1. 8 apiece. That's Hiro Osada, one of the veterans you were talking about. Only her second year with LPU, but she spent some time in other schools already. Kita mo naman, gumagana siya at ina-activate siya dito sa first set ni Ming Puzon.
Receptions and digs. Receptions and digs. Makontrol mo lang yung first ball kasi si Puzon knows where to put that volleyball. Alam niya kung saan magiging effective yung mga attackers niya. Sa tagal na niya naglalaro dun sa sistema na yan. Ang importante lang mo control mo, pero dito Omipon, tatlong sunod na ito ng atake.
Shai Omipon. Umiinit na dito sa ating laban.
And yung touches ni Tapol falls on her shoulders niya sa kay Bedanya. And aantabayan na natin kasi may mga room for improvement pa si Shai. Kasi kung titignan mo yung percentage of attacks that she converts, as she progress, mas makikita na niya, oy, dito yung dapat ibagsak yung bola, ganito ko babasahin yung kalaban. And it comes with the reps.
That's the progression of a spiker as Doguna. That's a welcome sight for LPU. Joan Doguna able to score right here. Ming Puzon setting it up.
Kasi nakita natin to si Doguna, her last game of season 99, buhos eh. Final 4 yun. Pinulikat na ng dalawang binti.
Linaban pa rin.
Aabutin pa nga nila yun nun.
Wow, this is Menor scoring for Perpetual. This is another point for her. Now si Gemaline Menor Only 19 years old. Pero third leading scorer na ng Perpetual
Galing
to.
ko sa high school nila eh. Tama ba ako? Sa mga galing senior high yan. Kasi yung grassroots program ng women's volleyball ng Perpetual has been really stable for the past few seasons. Na feeder program talaga, which is what the basketball team is actually doing din now.
Yeah.
Na nakakatawa. And if you're following the news na karamihan dun sa champion team nila, committed to the seniors program.
That's right. Doguna. Pop-up. Uy, nice push. Pero,
Bahagyang-bahagya.
nice intention though from Menor.
Ilang pulgada lang from that line. Pag nakita natin yung bola, yun.
Nilihis niya.
Konting-konti lang. Katsu na katsu. 2 inches lang yun.
But LPU gets the point. Ito na si Doguna. Sharp one unleashed. Lefty drop will not work. Who's on the back set here for Tulang. Hirap na angulo nun. Here's the approach. Tulang dives for it. Dolorito with a checkout. 11-all here in set number 1.
So consistent pa rin yung work rate ni Joanna Dolorito. Parang 3 taon na nating nakikitang ganyan yung work rate neto ni Jo.
Yeah. But she looks, well, she looks energized.
Yep.
Diba? Parang light on her feet. Very comfortable moving around the court as Doguna unleashes a service ace.
And that's also one thing that you should consider when you're playing a double round robin tournament. May mga teams na sanay mag-peak sa simula pa lang. Pero ito kailangan mong i-sustain yung performance mo. Mahaba yung season. Sunod-sunod yung laro. Mahaba yung season. Of course, injuries happen. Pero for the most part, you want to keep your team fresh. And after the midpoint mark, that's when you make your stretch run. Doon ka nababakbak talaga.
Again, this is a first time for all of the teams here in the NCAA to have a second round in the volleyball competition. So masusubukan talaga sila. Okay, ball in, ball out challenge. Our first challenge of the day. We'll see if there's a case here. Itinawag to ng LPU team. Kahapon wala pa tayong music. Buti naman ngayon may music na. Yan. During the challenge. And this is also helping the players to, you know, stay warm on the court because the challenges, it's, well, a timeout disguised as a challenge. Hey guys, woo! Sige coach! Yan o. Si coach tatakbo din na Sunday.
Ganun yung, hindi, may check-up kami. Ganun yung, ayan. Ganun yung sayo ko ngayon.
Okay, here's the challenge. Ooh, it's...
All right, on the line.
Yeah. Konti. Teka. Yan.
Yung first landing yung unang titignan.
So, inside.
As long as it's on the line, first touch, it's considered an inside.
So, instead of a tie, it's LPU grabbing the 2-point lead. Ito si Joan Doguna. Oh!
Second ace.
The corner again. Wow! Itong pagpapakawala ni Joan Doguna mula sa service area is giving LPU the necessary cushion here in set number 1. Another sharp one unleashed. Nice score. That is Pauline Reyes rising and scoring.
Si Pauline Reyes, very assertive in this game. She's been really trying to find her spots. Ang laking bagay niya na meron kang opposite left-handed. Kasi on the rotation, pag nandoon siya sa left side, para kang merong automatic na open din na ang strong side niya down the line. Which is hindi sanay po sumalo yung mga ibang depensa.
Pero si Art Pio, again, Buzon continues to activate her middles. This time, it's Pio.
Good first ball. First ball.
Yung quick attack niya ni Art Pio, that was unstoppable. last year.
Oh, yung Bio tsaka Osada. Diyan
Uh-huh.
nakakakuha ng puntos. Activate mo lang yan pagka mabilis ka bounce ball.
Winnie Bedanya with a running hit.
So definitely a kill shot.
For sure.
Oo. And ang ganda rin ng pagkaka-set up nitong back set na to. And right in stride. Again, the length plays up. And mahirap yun na outstretch ka tapos lalagyan mo pa ng enough juice for a bounce ball na palo.
Puzon to the middle again. Lozano with a pop-up. Off speed here. Not gonna work for Shai. Dolorito.
Oh, great approach, but
Long on the attempt.
too much sauce. May challenge ulit dito.
So, is it gonna be a block touch challenge? Yeah, block touch naman.
Oo.
Ang i-contest dito ng LPU. There felt like there was some contact with one of the blockers of Perpetual. Kaya humaba yung attempt nito ni Jonah. So that's Coach Cromwell Garcia sending out some instructions here. Pati si Coach Sandy sa kabila. Ganun din ang ginagawa. This is the Perpetual bench.
Buti walang ganyan sa basketball. No? Kung
Alin?
merong coaches challenge.
Sasayaw din dapat.
Oo.
Hindi.
Maha-high blood yung mga coach ng basketball. Eh. Ito, okay
May,
yan.
ano sila, may,
May
choreography.
Oo, coordinated, ah.
Oo nga eh. Di ba sa TikTok yan? Hindi ko alam.
Hindi ako nagtitiktok eh. Yung anak ko lang yung nagtitiktok eh.
Dapat alam mo yan, wala na daw. Sabi ni si Lozano ba to? Sabi niya wala na daw. Ubus na kami ng sayaw. Mamaya na ulit. Set 2.
Oo, parang yung LPU, pre-practice pati yung ano. Meron silang choreography.
Oo nga.
Okay yan.
Pero itong LPU Lady Pirates, this is a great start for them. You know, considering what they've been through in the first round, they've been trying to find their rhythm, trying to find their old form here in the NCAA.
And maganda yung ginamit mong term, Martin, yung rhythm nila.
Yeah.
And they're able to control the floor defense in this first set. For the most part, nakakakuha si Bedanya at si Umipon. Of course, given yung dalawang yun, would find attacks. But ito muna yung sa challenge.
Tingnan natin kung may dumaplis. Meron ba? Hold on. Wala.
Wala. Alaws.
Wala.
Alaws.
Teka. Wala. Yeah. There was no block touch. So, Perpetual gets the point. Panghabol yan para dito sa Lady Altas, just down by 1. And they have Jemeline Menor, rookie from Pangasinan.
Tama, no? Galing siya sa high school nila.
Hold on.
Oo, hindi ako sigurado.
May nakalagay eh.
Kung dun siya o na-recruit sa palarong pambansa. Good kill block there.
Wow! LPU denying Shai Umipon. And that's our cue to go to the break. Second technical timeout. Abante ang Lady Pirates. Alright, para sa inyong kwentong totoo, kwentong kapuso, sumali na sa UScoop Plus Facebook group at i-share ang inyong mga larawan at video. Maaaring ma-feature ang inyong istorya sa aming newscast. Gamitin lang ang hashtag UScoop sa inyong mga posts. Sasali na kayo. Si Coach, marami yan. Siyempre, ano to? Community-driven.
Community-based.
Organic content from our community. Ayan, kung meron po kayong nakikita na parang newsworthy, nakuhaan na ninyo,
Yes.
share nyo sa UScoop.
Thumbs up tayo dyan
Ayan.
sa mga kasama natin sa online news team.
So, 16-14. Jonah Dolorito down the line. It was a little wide.
So yun yung difference, Martin. Kita mo si Jonah Dolorito on that open area. kadalasan cross-court ang palo eh. Kasi ganun yung buwelo. Kaya ako sinasabi na pag left-handed yung attacker on that side, down the line yung palo at sukat na sukat yung area.
But I like this attempt from Hiro Osada. I mean, disguising that one as a quick, but in the last second, dinrapol, iniwas sa dalawang bantay.
Subtle movements. Kaya yung importante sa mga volleyball players, lalo na yung mga bata, yung strengthening and mobility ng wrist.
Yeah.
Kasi yan yung maglalagay ng ball placement. Kaya yung drill nila sa tennis ball, yung sinasalo.
Oh, yun Ayun, kinargahan na yun. Back-to-back points for Hiro Osada. And it is now an 18-15 lead for LPU. Osada, that time only faced a single defender at the net. So timeout dito para kay Coach Sandy Rieta.
Lalo pa tayo dito. Ayaw nyo na gumalaw dyan. May pattern naman tayo. Ayaw nyo pumwesto. Ang tokwa.
A frustrated Coach Sandy Rieta right there in that timeout kasi he knows this team could do a lot better. And he knows they need this win to remain one of the top 4 teams in the league. Ariola. Uy! Nice setup right there by Ariola, which we have to mention. Itong si Ariola is currently the number 1 setter in the league. Yeah.
So, ayun na naman, miscommunication on that dahil dito ka lang pwede maging medyo selfish if you're a defender sa larong volleyball. You have to really be clear on the way that you're communicating. Hindi ka pwede ka naman dim you're outside the Taraflex. Pero pag dito kailangan an assertive ka eh.
Yeah. Here's the setup. Omipon pushing it to the other side. Back row hit. Dalawa dapat yung tatalon doon. Si Tulang yung kumuha. Omipon on the wind-up. Guzman couldn't handle it, pero buhay pa ang bola. Good effort from LPU. Off-speed hit. Osada checked. Puzon goes to Doguna this time. Nasa likod si Minor. Long rally here. Longest one so far. And Uy targeting that donut hole.
Yep. Right on the middle of that defense. Dalawa pa yung nagsalubong. Kasi usually, pagka magta-travel na yung bola on the other side, aabante yung mga nasa likod. Ang may iwan na last linebacker mo is the libero. Pagka din-drop shot, doon kailangan mas mag-communicate. Parang ano yun eh, pull a string. Di ba? Pagka may mga defensive actions, hindi ka pwedeng maiwan on an island.
But LPU, this is big for them. They're able to answer all of Perpetual's attempts. John Doguna putting that one through 2 blockers.
Grabe rin yung Lara Silva na best digger, grave digger, best digger, best receiver natin. Na kampante yung depensa nila. Na umabante yung dalawa kasi covered niya yung buong back row.
Bihira yung ganun dito. Eto, this is Pauline Reyes. A long attempt kasi nakita niya walang nakatao sa likod.
Kaliwang side. Komportable.
Doguna.
Good block.
Returned.
Free ball.
Here comes Perpetual. Minor. Buhay pa. Puzon, underhand, cross-court setup. Doguna, pinalusot. Back set to Reyes. Tulang with the pop-up. High balls here in this.
Uy, nagkahiyaan.
That is Doguna and Dolorito. Unable to communicate in that sequence.
Ano nagsasalita doon? Pag nakita natin ito on the replay, both of them were looking. Again, communication. In any sport, it's very important. Lalong-lalo na rito. Sa volleyball,
walang nagmay, no?
Oo, laking bagay yun.
So, sige, pakinggan natin si Coach Crom.
Makapasa muna tayo na maayos. Sabi sa inyo, communication lagi. Okay? Walang bolang i-error. Tapon, recover lang tayo. Hard, commit sa middle. Diskarte. Jo, atakayin mo eh. Buha mo. Ha? Let's go.
Kasi nakakapanghinayang yun if you're Coach Cromwell. That was a long rally as we see here. Maclod Guadagna, Roxy De La Cruz. Yeah, I'm assuming they're with potential LPU players. Of course, Maclod will play out his final year in season 101 basketball. Magkakasama yung gagraduate.
Walang pasok pa. Sabay-sabay sila. Sila ni... pangalan nito?
Barba.
Ato.
Barba. Oh! Una. Bumawi. That's good response after the timeout for LPU.
Tsaka ultra green light eh. Sinabihan ni Coach Crom eh. Jo! Atakin mo. Ultra green light. Pagka-attacker ka, yun lang naman yung gusto mo marinig sa coach mo eh. Pag may error. Pero huwag kang half-hearted.
Menor.
Speaking of no half-hearted attackers.
That's Gemalyn Menor. And she continues to impress for the Lady Autos. Look at this. Tulang lang ang nasa harap niya doon.
Hirap kumontrol pagka sa katapat mo open. Tapos nasa soft spot siya.
First ball. Service ace to give Perpetual the lead para dito kay Uy.
Again, yun pa rin. Yun yung tanong natin ngayong season 100. First ball. Hindi na nga ganun katulis yung service.
Kanina okay sila. Now, in the latter part.
Consistent. Kailangan maging consistent.
Yeah, more important part of the set. Ito, kailangan nilang ayusin yung first ball as Reyes. Scores right there. It's a 2-point lead for the Lady Autos.
Off the hands of the blocker and hitting the antenna. Unsung hero to solid role player itong Reyes. Super solid.
Lefty hitter for Perpetual.
Muna tayo, okay, tiwala muna sa sarili. Okay, hindi po pwede mawala yan, ha? Yung bola dumarating, kayang-kaya natin yan. Yan, pag inatake, buong puso, bigay nyo na eh. Atakihin nyo talaga eh.
Magmula sa 19-17 kanina, abante na ngayon ng Perpetual, 22-20, and it's a 5-1 run for the Lady Autos so far. And it's happening in this crucial stretch of the first set. Responsible for their point earlier. Etong si Uy, kanina si Reyes. Bago yun si Uy. Toguna is checked by two blockers. Tulang, check din. Great activity at the net.
Miscommunication.
Yeah. Who's on looking for somebody on that side?
On that opposite side. Ito, akala ko ikukwik sa gitna kay Pio, pero again.
23 serving,
23-20, 6-1 run.
Bumitaw sa dulo.
Ito. Service error on Uy. So this will give LPU a chance.
Actually, ito mga things that LPU is committing errors on, madaling i-clean up eh. Kasi ito communication lang to eh. Pero yan, hindi communication. Service That's error. An elementary mistake. Service error.
That is costly.
Yep.
Set point para sa Perpetual.
Kasi papasok sa second technical timeout, they were firmly in control of the tempo pa nitong set natin.
So Pauline Reyes will start. Sharp serve. And it is Reyes puts an end to the first set. 25-21 in favor of the Lady Autos. Great comeback for Perpetual in that first set. And they take the 1-0 lead.